Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the Glossybox for July. I feel like we're gonna blink and it'll be December again, and we'll have the 17th lockdown. But hey, what can you do? So this month we get a cool little design box, and very interestingly it has a little keyhole. It opens like this, which we haven't seen before in Glossybox, at least not since I've been subscribed, which has been just over a year now. And the theme for this month, oh, they did like a little magazine like back in the old day. Beauty treasures. And it's really cute as well. Inside you have the little seashells and sand. It's a really cute box. I hope I like the items. Lately it's been a bit meh, but anyways, let us dive in. Alright, so we got our yellow little papier. Oh, my ribbon slid off completely. Ooh, okay. Alright, this is what it looks like. Where am I looking? Camera's right here. Oh my gosh, that's just not gonna happen. This is what it looks like. Let's take out this one item that keeps falling out. So this is new. Is it a soap? I haven't gotten anything like this before. This is the Foam O full size shower steamer. Refresh your spirit for an amazing shower experience with sweet orange essential oils, and it says for shower. Oh! This is really unique. So it says place on the shower floor, turn on shower, and allow a short time for the aroma of sweet apple and orange essential oils to enhance your shower experience. I guess you really just leave it in the bottom of your bathtub, and over time it'll evaporate with really nice scents. I can't quite smell it right now, but that's really cool and unique. I'm just gonna open it. Obviously it is still wrapped. Oh, that smells good. I wonder how long that will last. And it's in a cute little seashell shape, and ooh, I said that on my first try. That could have been difficult. So this is full size and worth €5.85. That's really cool. I've never seen anything like this before in a subscription box, so I'm definitely excited to have that. All right, next I'll take out the sheet item just to get it out of the way. Again, a bit different. This is the Master Patch Original Fit Blemish cover in 3 sizes, anti-perfection. Oh, so it's the little Blemish dot stickers kind of thing. A hydrocolloid patch that absorbs oil and extracts impurities while creating a barrier that protects the skin. That's actually kind of cool. I've always wanted to try a Blemish pack, but thankfully I'm not super prone, so I never kind of purchased them for that reason. But it'll definitely be interesting to see how well they truly work. This guy, again, is full size and worth €7. Next item, I'll take out this little guy hidden on the side, and we have a body fragrance mist by the brand Aurikah, and it is a tropical island floral scent. Oh, that's really lovely. I thought it was gonna be like really strong fruit punch tropical, but that is just incredibly soft but beachy but pleasant. Oh, that's really lovely. That's really nice. So this guy, oh Lord. Like the TikTok. This is obviously a deluxe size and worth €20.80. Ew. I would never spend that on something of this size. However, very happy to have it. Smells amazing, like bomb.com. And thank you, Aurikah. Next, I'll take the only makeup item in the box, but this was also a sneak peek, so it's not a complete surprise. And here we have the Kndr Beauty Bronzer. I read it as Kndr the first time I saw it, but very cute packaging. They're a newer brand, if I'm not mistaken, and they focus on being kind, hence the name. So it looks like this. It's a very physician's formula looking pan. But I have Blissful Bronze, and doesn't smell of anything. Really nice size. I feel like this is the kind of size where you could get through it in a summer if you wear makeup every day. Could you? Is that a lot? It just seems like a slightly smaller pan size, and I am a-okay with that. It does seem, for me, a touch deep. Maybe not. It depends, because some of them I still can't use. I have the Makeup Forever one, the really giant one, and I got the lightest shade, and I dipped into it, and my face was brown. So we'll see how this one works, but it seems to be a really nice tone, and I like that it's not super warm. I'm not a huge warmth on my face kind of gal, so this is cool. This again is full size and worth €16. crazy that this is worth more than this, but. And last, but hopefully not least, but I'm not too excited because I see what it is. We have a cleansing gel from Ecooking. So Ecooking, is it Danish? Yeah, made in Denmark. It's a really cool brand. I've had a couple of items from them. I think we had a balm as well. Just smells, oh, super, super, super fresh. Imagine a bunch of cut leaves and a bit of cucumber. It's really, really nice. Oh yeah, vitamin E and cucumber. My nose works. No, it's great. I just have gotten like 3 full-size cleansers recently, both in boxes and one I bought myself. I'm not at all sure why I did that, knowing I had cleansers still to use up. But that's cool. I like that it has a pump rather than the squishy tube, and it looks really great. I am excited to try it. I just have a few in the pipeline before I get to this, which is the real bummer. And again, full size. Oh no, deluxe size. Oh, I thought this would have been a full size. 125 mils deluxe size, €14. Cool, that's awesome. All right, so what do we think of July's Glossybox? It's a great box. I just feel, maybe I just have too much stuff now, although I should still be really impressed sometimes. I just feel I haven't had that wow moment in quite a while with Glossybox. And remembering last year's July box, it was one of my absolute favorites. It had this beautiful design. One of my favorite bronzers actually was in it, so hopefully this is a repeat. But it's just kind of I will give it to them that 3 of the items, the Blemish pack, the foam shower thing, and the mist, haven't really gotten that before in Glossybox, again, since I've been subscribed. So that is quite unique. Yeah, it's a really great box as usual, just nothing that's like, you know, making me like, oh, this is amazing, you know. What can you do? Again, value for money, yes. What do I pay? €15.50? Something along there. And I calculated this is worth €63.65, which again is really great value for money, but I'm also waiting because once in a while they have that box that's worth like over 90, over 100, and it's been a minute since we've had one of those. Packaging top notch, very cute. I just usually use them for organizing my makeup, so I won't be able to use this one that same way, but very unique and nice. Overall, yeah, nice. Really nice. You just want something with a bit more pizzazz, don't you? Anyways, that was the month of July. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you haven't already, definitely please leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you on this journey along with me. Let me know your thoughts down below as well. If you get Glossybox, what did you get this month? Do you like Glossybox? Are people still subscribed actively to Glossybox? Feel like it's kind of starting to decline. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!